color scheme. Colorful color scheme.
Colorful color scheme. Whatever. I love it.
I don't think anyone needs to try to be like anybody else. If you're trying to be somebody else, that's gonna come across and people are gonna feel that like, oh, like the fakeness. But when you are being undeniably you and you are passionate about what you're doing, people feel that. It hits different. This is it. This is the new direction. Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in a new little area again. So we are downstairs over here. Yes, there's Asher. Say hi. So this is where we have set up the whole like, you know, backdrop and all that for all of the content creating that I do for companies. And then I'll make another video for that, actually, how that's been going, what I've been doing, things I've learned, how I'm making money from it, all of that. I'll do a video for you guys. But then this area right here, so it was just like a cluster. We had shoes everywhere. We had like just a table that was just kind of like a collect all, like, I don't know. It just, you know, you walk inside, you toss everything on the table. So what we're gonna do in this corner now, because I've actually been collecting a lot of stuff for like different craft things that I wanna do, all of that, but now it's just like sitting in the office and there's like no place for it. So the office is more for like the content creating, the like if I do live, different things like that. And then obviously like when Joe edits and my vanity is in there as far as like my makeup looks, all that stuff. So that's what the office is for. And then this area here, like I said, content creating. And then this area is now going to be like the arts and craft corner for all of my like randomness. So we got a couple things from Amazon here. Okay, this thing right here is actually a shoe rack. It's like a big shoe rack that's, yeah, it's gonna go on this wall over here. So yeah, we're just kind of trying to get things a little bit more organized and trying to, I don't know, just make it all flow better. So we are actually setting up and cleaning and stuff. I've got some friends coming this week, so you'll probably see some snippets of them here. We are going to the Nelly and Flo Rida concert. Hey. But anyways, so let's go ahead, without further ado, let's start unboxing this stuff, and I'm gonna show you what I found on Amazon, what we ordered, and what we got, and how easy it is to put together. So here we go.
Look at Mom putting the shoes on. It's a 10 tier, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There's 10.
There's 10. I gotta make sure we didn't miss any. I'm getting 2. How many is Asher getting?
I said he could have more. Don't let him fool you.
Yeah, but I don't wear a lot of shoes. We need Mama's room, all the room she can get, and Asher Man. How was the setup?
It was actually pretty easy. You could do it one person, definitely, but it was a lot quicker with two to be able to like push down the corners all together. So yeah, it was really easy. And this was only like, it was like under $40 for this. It's super lightweight. It's just like real thin material right here. Yep, it's on the storefront if you want to check it out. There's a gray version too, but I just want to get the black one, kind of just, I don't know, accent.
Yeah, that looks fire.
So much better than just shoes everywhere.
You ain't lying. Asher Dean, you want to open up your new vacation shoes right there? Holy cow, dude, those are sick. Those are cooler than my shoes. Dang. This boy's got the hookup, Mom. He's got more style than me. Yes. Those are so cool. Show me the other ones too now, real tick. Whoa. And the black and white ones.
Kids' feet are growing like crazy. I feel like we got to get him new shoes like every month almost.
I know it. And the chairs all put together. That was easy, Mom.
It was really easy. It was literally just like pop everything in and good to go. Pop the wheels in, pop the base thing in, and then pop the chair on top.
Woo! What'd you go with the green for?
Green's the hot new color.
Is it now?
Yeah. Yep, green. And I'm going for more of a, like, this is the artsy corner. So this is, I'm going for more of a colorful color scheme. Colorful color scheme.
Colorful color scheme. Ah, whatever. I love it. Desk assembled.
Desk assembled.
How'd it go together?
Really good. Teamwork.
I thought it was too, man.
Teamwork,
and that is a nice quality desk
there
too.
There was a lot of pieces, a lot of parts, but if you just follow the instructions like one step at a time, it goes pretty smooth. It took us, what,
25 minutes
yeah.
probably?
Yeah.
But geez, look at the quality. That is not bad at all. Yeah. Super nice. It's gonna look good. Nice little setup.
Ah!
Now it's time to deck this booger out. Look at you go. You got a sewing machine?
This thing is kind of ancient, but my mom had it. Someone gave it to her, and so we were going to figure out if it still works. I don't know if it does, but we're going to look up some YouTube videos and see if this thing, we can get this thing to work.
I love it.
Then I had to dust the Cricut off. It was in
the old Cricut.
It's in the storage room. This is the Explore Air 2.
Very cool.
So I haven't got to use it a ton because I just never really had space for it, but we got space. So
yeah, we do. Yes. Laptop, and under there's all your accessories.
That's the sewing stuff. All that stuff was given to my mom with this sewing machine. All of that stuff. So she gave me the whole thing to try out.
I love
fiddle
it.
with.
Whoa, so it does light up.
We got a light.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, we've got a little momentum there. Man, that might work after all. We're going to have to stay tuned and
see. We got
see what happens
area.
Here. Wow.
The needle's off right now.
Thank God for that.
We got to put the needle on.
It's going to be a cool area. You're going to do a lot over here. I can tell already.
Anyone that's experienced with sewing machines, let me know if you got any tips on this. This is the Singer, what is it, Stylist. It says special zigzag model for 18. Is that 18?
Must be.
Yeah, it looks like 418. So if you got any experience with this, let me know. Okay, you guys, there we have it. So that's all we're gonna do for now in the craft area. I'm still over on this side here. I'm gonna show you guys. It's probably gonna be a different video because it'll be a little bit of work, a little sanding. But I found a really cool filing cabinet. Found it on Facebook Marketplace, $10. And we're gonna flip it and we're gonna do a little something fun to it. So that'll be the next video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for hanging out. Like I said, let me know if you got any tips on, like, if you know anything, like fun tricks and stuff on the Cricut, the sewing machine. Drop them in the comments, let us know. Stay tuned, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and we'll see y'all next video. Bye.